Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll show you how to make meme sites like these ones. They're pretty cool and you don't need to have any coding knowledge. Walking you guys through the whole process from making it to adding a custom domain, because there's a lot of people that don't like these subdomains. You can have your own domain, so like something like that, and I'll show you how to just fully customize it. Okay, so let's get started. So step one is to head to this website. It's called webby.fun. I'll leave the link in the bio. So once you're here, just import your project name. I'm going to call it Popcat 2.0. Oh, just Popcat. That's available. You will see a tick or a cross. Let's say I did meme. Okay, that's taken, but Popcat is not taken, so we'll just use that for now. Next, and we get right into it. So this is the default template. This one is the classic template, so that's what will show up when you click next, and you can just select what template you want. This is the splashy template. The matrix, that's the Windows one I showed earlier. This one is the animated one. It's got stuff flying around the screen, and this is just a simple one if you want like something really simple with just links and stuff. And yeah, so in this video I will use this template just because it's the biggest template. Alright, so once you've selected your template, you can head to edit content and you can start customizing the website. So let's start. The color theme, I'm going to leave it the same. I'll go through this really quickly, but you can of course take your time to make sure it's perfect, but I'll just leave it as blue. You can customize all the colors. As you can see, everything is like, these are the headlines. It's pretty customizable, so I'm gonna leave it the same because I like this theme. But now the menu, so I'll put the Popcat logo, chart link. I don't have any links on me right now, but you can put the Jupyter link, the Radium link, or the deck screener. Doesn't really matter, it's up to you. Okay, the hero now, preview image, let's go 4. That's perfect. Popcat. Perfect. Okay. I do have the contract address actually. I'll just copy it from here. Just paste it. Description. Pop the cat that pops. Nice. It's pretty clean. About us now. About, I'll just leave that. Info. The cat that pops. Image 3. Okay, I don't remember saving this, but that's fine. Alright, and now the roadmap. So this part is optional. You can just switch it on and off if you want. I'll leave it on, but I won't fill it in, just so we can save some time. You can fill this in however you want, and you can press enter if you want a new line. So let's say line 1, line 2, line 3, and if you go over the space that it's given you, it will just expand the box. So that's pretty cool. Now how to buy section, that's already filled for you, but if you are on like the Ethereum chain or something, you can just change this to Ethereum. Oh, and I guess you'd have to change the wallet, so MetaMask. But I am on Solana, so I'll just leave this as Solana. And you can change this part. Welcome aboard. I'll just leave it the same. Okay, so how to buy, that's done. Frequently asked questions. So question 1, and you can just say whatever you want the answer to be, and when they click it, it will show what you wrote there. Question 2, answer 2. It's pretty simple. Okay, and you can switch this off. I'm pretty sure you can just switch this off if you don't have anything like that. And I'll just leave it off because I'll just leave it on actually. Okay, so now the last part is adding the links. So just add your links. Don't put letters in there because that'll screw the links up when they click them. It'll just send them to D, which is nowhere. Yep, so there's a lot of links you can add, and there's a Jupyter link as well, and those links will all show at the bottom. And you can also change what the footer says. So join our community, join the PopCat community. Okay, this looks pretty good now. And let's deploy it now, and then we can view the live website. And I'll show you guys how to update the website, which costs nothing. It's free to update it. And I'll also show you how to add a custom domain, which is also free. And yeah, that should be all. So let's deploy it real quick. This template costs 0.2 sol. The other templates all cost 0.05. So if you want a cheaper one, you can use the simpler ones. Okay, so I'm going to connect my wallet. Okay, I connected my wallet, so just press create Webby. Confirm the transaction, and it creates it pretty fast. Just confirm. You should get like a confetti. Yep, there it is. Now you can just click on this box that it gives you, and it will, there you go. Our website is live now. And this is mobile responsive. So if you press inspect, this is how it looks on mobile. So it's responsive. All the websites are responsive, so you don't have to worry about that. And everything is working. Let's just test everything. Yep, and let's say I wanted to update the frequently asked questions because it's just a bunch of nothing. So go back to Webby. So just click to go to dashboard. Ignore all these are just tests that I run. So click update site. It will take you back to your site. And as you can see, it's free to update. So now you can just do the same thing we were doing before. Let's say we wanted to update the footer. Make it say that join the PopCat community today. Update site. Deploy update. It shouldn't take too long. And there you go. So it will take like around a minute to show up. Oh, wait, never mind. It's right there. Okay. Perfect. So now I'll show you how to add a custom domain. Alright, so in order to add a custom domain, you need to actually own the domain that you want to add to the website. So you would have to get it through a domain provider. So I would recommend Namecheap. It's just namecheap.com. And once you're here, you can search up the domain you want. So we have PopCat, Solana. Let's just search that and see what's available. We got there's a lot of cheap domains like $1. I wouldn't use these though. Tot store doesn't sound too good. I like the .lol or the .fun. They're usually like $2. Okay, let's just get this one. Alright, so I just finished buying the domain. So once you're on this dashboard, just copy your domain and head back to Webby. Go to your dashboard, and if you're on the home page, you just need to click view profile and then click on custom domain for the website you made. If you can paste the domain or type it, doesn't really matter. And then just click add. Okay, there you go. So you can see the domain on the left side and you got your name servers in the center. There's also another tutorial on how to do this. If you find this one confusing, you can just click here and it'll take you to the video. So once you're on this page, go back to Namecheap. Stay on the domain bar, but scroll down and find name servers, and then click on the drop down and select custom DNS, and then head back to Webby, copy the first name server 1, and then copy the second one and paste that one in name server 2, and then just click that green tick here and just wait for it to load. And that is all for adding a custom domain. You just need to wait. It says 1 to 2 hours, but it usually takes 10 minutes. So wait, the time is 3:40 right now. I'll update when it actually goes live, so I'll be back. All right, so it's actually 3:42. It's been like 2 minutes and I just checked and it's live. So as you can see on the top now, it says popcat-solana.lol, and when we press enter, you can refresh and it's all there. It's our own custom domain. Nice. And if you go back to the old one, popcat.web, that still works. So if you disconnect your domain, you can still access it here. That's just like a backup now, I guess. You can use this as the main, it doesn't really matter. But if you want it to be more customized, you can add a custom domain. Okay, that is all for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.